Let's get these trucks in the ring for you guys. We're waiting on Alex and Chris. I don't hear their trucks running. I can hear 69's Teagues. His truck's running. He's from Drayton. And here comes Cody Ferguson. These two were in the best looking trucks. They took time to build them. They took time to paint them. And now they're definitely going to enjoy destroying them. So it looks like Cody is driving a 2004 Chevy, 2006. Oh, that's a classic. 2006 classic Chevy. Regular cab, 8-foot box. And then behind it, it looks like we have like a 2008, 2009 Chevy Suburban. These trucks worked the field for years, and now here they are giving their final last attempts at survival. Alex, Trappier, Brad, Thompson. Can I please get you guys in the ring? This right here is a 2006 Chevy Avalanche. It's quite a amount of derbies. It's had a great life, and hopefully you can send it here today. The next one coming in is Alex Trappier. He's already been on the track twice today. He's already won some money, and now he's going to come and win some more. Alex Trappier is driving a 2004 Chevy Avalanche, and he's sponsored by Basic Recycling, same as Brad Thompson. These four trucks are going to be putting on a show for you guys. Just be aware that they do shoot rocks, mud, and everything that's on the track your way. So please just keep your eyes open. If you see the dirt coming, maybe shut them low. And it's going to get the gate closed and the derby started. The rules are, if you push somebody onto the blocks, you must attempt to get them off, so drivers have to keep that in mind. Flag officials, are you ready? Spectators, are you ready? Here comes some V8 truck action. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Off to a slow start, but they're going to start speeding it up. 69 on the first move. 34! Oh! 69 looks like it's out to go. Fix it up. Can he retire? He's going. He's only got drive. Can he get reversed? Number 34 is still moving. That's the problem with these old GMs. They're just old GMs. Here comes Alex. Big shot there. These two avalanches. Two and 196. Brad's trying to retreat to replace himself with that front bumper, and it looks nasty. T's just got up in front of Brad's truck with the front of it. Coming down to position now. Congratulations, he won Best Decorated and he won the truck class. We're going to get him some trophies here today, guys. Don't go anywhere though, we have